The flowerhorn fish, also known as the flowerhorn cichlid, is an artificial creation of human breeders thought to originate from Southeast Asia in the 1990s. This unique freshwater hybrid was produced from crosses between several different types of cichlids, including blood parrots, red devils, and three-spot cichlids or the trimac. Today, there are more than a dozen different varieties of the flowerhorn, but Thezin-Ju, golden monkey, and camphor among the most popular, each one varying in its colors, markings, and shape. While purely human creation, some owners have discarded them back into the wild, where they can aggressively outcompete native fish, though many of the males are sterile. For this reason, it is considered to be an invasive species in many countries. Flowerhorn fish are sometimes considered to be signs of fortune, luck, health, and prosperity by collectors. Flowerhorn fish will change colors throughout their lives. They will gradually gain their full colors upon reaching maturity, and then the colors slowly fade as they begin to age. Certain plant-based foods like those containing xanthophyll can affect their colors as well. Drastic color changes, especially the sudden appearance of pale or dark markings and spots, could signify stress, poor environmental conditions, or even disease. Some strains have a white to dark line of spots running across the side of the body. These markings are called a pearling or a flower line. Because it was artificially created by humans, the flowerhorn is not recognized as a distinct species and is given the name Amphilophus hybrid. It was bred from several other hybrid cichlids, a family of freshwater tropical fish distributed throughout the world. Cichlids are very popular with breeders and aquarium owners for their incredible diversity of bright, garish colors and complex body markings. Although this species is not recognized as a distinct species because it has been crossbred by hobbyists numerous times with various species of Central American cichlid species, there are still 4 main varietals in addition to the numerous others. None of these entire species is a native species found in the wild. Even though they may currently be found there now, they are not endemic to these areas. The flowerhorn cichlid is a medium-sized fish, normally measuring anywhere up to 16 inches in size. It is characterized by a rounded, symmetrical appearance with a long dorsal fin running along the back, a fairly long anal fin, and a fan-shaped tail fin. These fish also have 2 sets of teeth, the normal set in the mouth and a secondary set in the throat known as pharyngeal teeth that help to grind up food. By far the most prominent characteristic, however, is the large protruding bump on the forehead known as the nuchal hump, composed of a bulbous soft tissue of fat or gel. The purpose of this bump isn't fully understood, but it may have something to do with sex recognition in many cichlid species.